Hello everyone, today I'm cooking a simple crispy fried chicken with my homemade crispy flour. It is simple, delicious, and the children love it. This recipe is for 3 servings. Since the marinade is simple to make, to save time, I will start off by heating the oil. Add 1 liter of cooking oil into the wok. Switch on the heat to medium and set the time to 10 minutes for the oil to heat up. While the oil is heating up, marinate 3 whole leg chicken with 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Sprinkle half of it on one side. Then turn the chicken and sprinkle the other half. This is about 850 grams of chicken. They are very big pieces. Next, sprinkle half tablespoon of coarse black pepper over the chicken, or half on both sides. Repeat with 1 tablespoon of curry powder, sprinkling half tablespoon on one side, and half tablespoon on the other side. Now, rub and marinate the chicken with the seasoning. Lastly, crack an egg inside the mixing bowl and mix until well combined. Cover it and leave aside while we make the flour. Take out 3/4 cups of homemade crispy flour. I will leave a link of how to mix this flour in the see more link. Add 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of coarse black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Mix it well with a small whisk. Once done, set it aside. After marinating the chicken and mixing the flour, check on the oil. It should be ready by now. Dip a wooden cooking chopstick in the oil. If bubbles form up like this, the oil is ready for deep frying. Alright, the oil is ready. We fry the curry leaves first. I have about 5 to 6 stems of curry leaves here. Please make sure that the leaves are super dry. Pull all of the leaves from the stem and add them to the hot oil. Be careful when doing this. If there is a small drop of water in the leaves, it can create a big hot oil splash. Fry the curry leaves for about 10 to 20 seconds to infuse the fragrance of the curry leaves into the oil. Remove the leaves and leave aside to drip the excess oil. Now we can fry the chicken. Swirl the chicken one by one in the liquid as much as possible to drench it. Then dip it in the crispy flour mix with seasoning. Coat the chicken thoroughly with the flour mix. And carefully lower it into the hot oil, one at a time. Continue with the second. And the third. Okay, all the chicken are in the oil now. Once the chicken is in the hot oil, it will most likely get stuck at the bottom of the wok. Try not to move it until it is fully cooked and crispy. Let them fry for 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. I am scooping the hot oil and pouring it over the top of the chicken that is exposed from the oil. This seals the flesh at the top to prevent the juices from rising and leaking out. It can be done once in a while until the chicken is cooked and crispy at the bottom. After about 9 minutes, turn and rotate the chicken. See, the chicken is cooked and crispy at the bottom. It looks so beautiful and golden brown. Let it cook on the other side for another 8 minutes. Alright, after 8 minutes, the chicken is cooked and looks so yummy. Remove it from the hot oil. Switch off the heat and rest it on the cooling rack. Now we can place it on a serving plate. Sprinkle some fried curry leaves. And crispy fried shallots. It looks so amazing. The crispy fried chicken is ready to be served. Let's eat! Wow, it is super delicious. So crunchy, juicy and tasty, with an appetizing fragrance from fried curry leaves and crispy fried shallots. They go so well together. So good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.